Last time we talked about how Markov models have these ideas of different generations and how we can use this model to forecast the weather in the future. Now, in order to figure out these exact probabilities, we have to multiply these two transition matrices together, remembering that the transitions here are these guys here, 0.9 chance of being sunny to sunny, sunny to rainy, and so on. So I've got different rows here, this first row here, and two columns in this matrix. Okay, so I'm going to do matrix multiplication, and this might be something new, but basically what I'm trying to do is figure out what goes in these four positions here, okay? Because we have two rows and two columns here. Let's do an example. So if I have this row here, row 1, with my transitions for sunny, I'll multiply them by this column here. Okay, and here's how I'll do this. This is called the dot product, if you want to look up how that's done. But in matrix multiplication, we take the first item, 0.9, and multiply it by 0.9. 0.9 times 0.9, and then we add that to 0.1 times 0.55. 0.1 times 0.55. And that'll give us our probability that given a sunny day, we'll find another sunny day. So this actually equals about 85%. Okay? And I like to actually do this with my fingers sometimes to help with the multiplication where I say 0.9 times 0.9, 0.1 times 0.55. I apologize if they're sort of covered in the camera here, but you can sort of march down just one item at a time. Here and here, here and here. Okay? And that gives you the first row times the first column, gives you the elements in the first row, first column. Okay? So let's continue on to do the next row here. And I'm going to multiply 0.9 times 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.45 because we want the item in the first row, second column. In our first row, second column. Okay, so 0.9 times 0.1 plus 0.1 times 0.45. Okay, and this process continues. So if I want now this second row, I'll look at my matrix in the second row and first column here to get this item in the second row, first column. 0.9 times 0.55. Oh, I did that backwards. I could have written this as 0.55 times 0.9, and then 0.45 times 0.55, 0.9 times oops, this is why I use my fingers. 0.9 times 0.55, and 0.45 times 0.55. Okay, so let me write this out clearly here. 0.9, 0.55 times 0.9. Let's get rid of this one. And then plus 0.45 times 0.55. See, if I don't use my fingers, I'll make mistakes. All right, final one. In the second row, second column, gives us the second row, second column, this position here. Okay, so 0.55 times 0.1, 55 times 0.1 plus 0.45 times 0.45. 0.45 times 0.45. Okay, and this gives us the probabilities. Now a couple observations here. I haven't solved all of these out. I know if this row here is 85%, this one here is going to be about 15%. So remember these transitions here for my my sunny state. Maybe this is sunny and rainy. These need to add to 1. Okay, same for here. So that's how you can check your work when doing these Markov models. Okay, so we can continue this process on for if we want the third generation by multiplying the second generation and so on.